Filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Welcome back to Steven Soufflé's Fun Time Kitchen. With me, your host, Steven Soufflé. Today we have a special episode for making cake. And what special occasion calls for cake? Well, just about every single one. So, today all we need to do is grab our Fun Time Cake Mix, which is Steven Soufflé's special mix. So, all we need to do is take it out of the box right now. Pop that out, play it right on the cutting board. Get rid of the box because we don't need boxes. Let's get our measuring cups. Play some gin. So, where are those things to open up this packet? Well, I don't have any, so I gotta use my hands. So, everything, it doesn't really matter. You shake it around just like a child that won't stop screaming. Tear that thing open. Really get in there. There's still some in there. Turn the bag inside out. That's a good idea. There we go. Now, the next ingredient in our wonderful recipe is eggs. We need 3 of them. Time to crack the egg. I cracked the egg. Wonderful. Open that up. There we go. Now this time I think, maybe one-handed. I'll try one-handed. That seems right. Now for the 3rd egg. Now, all we have is the Tetris. I'm gonna toss this one up and catch it in my other hand. Here we go. Wonderful. One more time. No looking this time. Wonderful. Now, I'm going to cover my eyes with one hand and throw it up and catch it again. It always happens when you throw it up, but it's okay. Let's break it in there. Alright. Next on the list is some water. Ooh, open that up. Don't you just love that smell? Now, we need a full cup of water, so I'm going to grab my measuring cups. Almost like it's a phone. Hello? Where am I? There we go. Pouring 1 full cup of water. You gotta lean over a bit, Gotta tilt the mason jar up a bit more. Okay. Time for the oil. Just listen to it. I think it's time that we take a commercial break. And we'll see more after this. Welcome back. There was something in here during the commercial break that I had to fight off. So the events that transpired led me to make the rest of the cake. We measured out our ½ cup of oil from our Fun Time vegetable oil. I ran out of water. We got it in the pan. We did the Pam in the pan. We got the oven preheated. And we're about to bake this cake. Now let's see where we're about to... I think it's over there. And welcome back to Steven Soufflé's Fun Time Kitchen. Here we have a perfectly made cake with expertly measured ingredients. Now time for the... There we go. Time to taste the frosting. Now, enough for this old hungry boy. Time for the cake. Time to taste the fingers. I think I got it. Time to put some frosting. No, we already got frosting. What am I thinking? The sprinkles, the fun, the fun time sprinkles. Here we go. There we go. Let's start. Ooh. Ooh. Let's get more of the bottom point. Perfect. This is how you make a fun time cake. Join us next week when you make it. I don't know. I'll take some suggestions from Twitter. It doesn't even have to be food related. I'll make it.